student, welcome to all of you. This is the first chapter of your grammar section. In fact, the 11th chapter of the English book, but first chapter of the grammar category. So, the first chapter name is noun. So, today we will discuss what is noun and what is the kinds of noun. So, let's start it. You know, students, generally the definition is given in this paragraph, this lesson, that a noun is a naming word. Nouns identify people, animals, place and things. So it is real, it is obvious that all the naming word is the noun. In fact, anything that exist in this world, that is called, it has its name, and that name is the noun. You can say the synonyms of name is noun. In a general form, the definition of the noun is the name of a person, place or things, as like Ram, Mohan, book, Sagra, etc. So when we talk about the types, so there are many types of noun. Generally, the main types of noun is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun and concrete noun. So in this chapter we will see what is the kinds of noun one by one, and along with the kinds of noun we will see number, gender, and also the countable noun and uncountable noun. So let's see, the first is kinds of noun. So when we talk about the kinds of noun, the first noun is common noun. Now what is the common noun? A common noun is used for a class of person, animal, place or things. When we talk about a large group of person, place या animal या things, so there is a common noun. So it is used to name general items instead of specific one. So when we talk about the whole group, या category, या class, then there is common noun. And when we talk about a particular person, या specific one, there is a proper noun. As like example, girl, mouse, river, bridge, etc. That is the common noun. The next is the proper noun. So a proper noun has two main features. First, it will name a specific item which is usually one of a kind. You know, the unique is called the proper noun, as like Marx, Sunil, the Taj Mahal, etc. It will begin a capital letter. Yes, the proper noun always start with the capital letter, as like the name of anybody, the name of country, the name of the person, name of everybody start with the proper noun. Now next is the abstract noun. Abstract noun, a word which names something that cannot be touched, seen, heard, smelled, या taste is known as the abstract noun. You know, we call abstract noun in Hindi भाववाचक संज्ञा, that is called abstract noun in English. You know, all the feelings, pain, emotions, all is in the form of abstract noun. You know, prevention is better than cure. What is the prevention? Prevention यानी बचाव, that cannot be touched, cannot be seen. These all abstract. Childhood, pain, happiness, pleasure, this all thing is abstract noun. You can see in the example the beauty, anger, faith, honesty. These all is the abstract noun. You know, abstract noun is the feeling and all. So children, the next of the noun, collective noun. You know, a group, when we talk about a group, there is a collective noun. So a collective noun is the word used to represent a group of things. When we talk about the group of any things, animal or people, there is a collective noun. For example, gang, troops of dance, a flock of sheep, herd of deer, a pair of shoes, a bouquet of flowers, a bench of judges, a band of musicians. This all is the collective nouns. Yeah, army, there is a team of the players. These all the collective noun, because here we talk about a group of somebody or some person, या animal या things. So next is the concrete noun. Now what is the concrete noun? So things that can be experienced through your five senses. Here taste, smell, sight, touch, या known as concrete noun. For example, stars, student, flowers, table, music, trees, flock, fox, sunset, etc. That is the concrete noun. The next is the number. There are two numbers of noun. First is singular and second is the plural noun. His number it was, when we talk about in the vachan, there is a तो दो वचन होते हैं, एक वचन और बहुवचन. Like that in English, numbers. So first is the singular, the second one is the plural noun. So singular noun refer to one person, animal, place or things, while plural means more than one. Means when something is more than one, that is the plural form. To make a noun plural, the basic rule is to add s. There are many irregular nouns that add x. So here is some rules that by using that we can make the singular noun into, we can transfer the singular noun into the plural noun. So the first rule is add s to form the plural of most nouns. If the nouns word that is end with like girls, so in the last you only have to s to change it into the plural form, as like girl, cup, then use s and become the cups and the plural form. Brick, just use s and it become the plural form. House, just add the s and it become the plural form. The second rule is if the word ends in s, double s, z, double z, x, ch, tch, sh, an and es is added to form the plural. Means जब the words end with this kind of letters, then you only have to es to make them convert into the plural form, as like class in the last word is double s, so you only have to use es to make it plural form. Box, last word is x, only add es to make it plural form, like that, so on. The third rule is a few words that ends in fe or f have their plural form by ves. Yes student, when the words finish end with fe or f and you have to make it plural form, so then we only have to remove the fe or f and add ves to make it plural form, as like loaf, a piece of bread. If you want to change it in plural form, remove the f from the words that is in the last of the word and use ves and it become the plural form. Calf, remove the f from the words and add ves and it become the plural form. Wife, remove the fe from the word and s and add ves to make it plural, so on. Next rule is if a noun ends with a constant plus y, then y is changed to I and es is added. Yes, there are some words in the dictionary of English, and if you really want to make it plural form and it is end by y, then you have to change the y into I and add es, as like. Means नाउन में बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड होते हैं जिसके लास्ट में y आता है. यदि आपको इसको प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है तो आपको y को हटा के इसमें y को I में कन्वर्ट करना है और लास्ट में es ऐड कर देना है, एज लाइक स्पाई. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू टू मेक इट प्लूरल, वी विल convert the y into the I and add es to make it plural. Baby, y should be converted into I and es must be added to make it plural and became the babies. Sky, convert the y into I and add es to make it plural and it become the skies. So proper noun are exceptions to the rule. So there are some exception as like in the sense of proper noun. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and the plural. So students, some words that are same in the plural and singular form, यानी कुछ वर्ड ऐसे हैं जिनका singular plural form same होता है, as like ship, fish, deer and species. Some noun have a plural form but take a singular form. Yes, this is true. So many words in the word that is in the form of plural but actually it is singular, as like athletics, news, linguistic, billiards, statics, mathematics, etc., etc. So The next rule is rule number 7. Some singular noun takes plural verbs. For example, glasses, trousers, सीजर्स, जीन्स, यस. कुछ सिंगुलर नाउन्स ऐसे भी हैं जो दिखने में प्लूरल जैसे लगते हैं, जैसे कि ग्लासेस हो गए, ट्राउजर्स हो गए, सीजर्स हो गए एंड जीन्स हो गए. नेक्स्ट इज देर आर सम इरेगुलर नाउन्स विच डू नॉट फॉलो एनी रूल्स. कुछ नाउन ऐसे भी हैं जो किसी नियम को फॉलो नहीं करते, ये अपने आप में एक यूनिक होते हैं. जैसे वोमेन है, इफ़ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू प्लूरल फॉर्म, यू हैव टू रिमूव द ए एंड ऐड ई, देन इट बिकम द वोमेन. Men, the plural form of it is men. Child, you only have to use D-R-R-E-N in the last and become the children. Mouse, plural form is mouse. Tooth, plural form teeth. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Cactus, cactus. Fungus, fungi. Diagnosis, diagnose. Os is os. So here is some words given in the exercise first, that write the correct plural of the each words. Here is singular form of the words and we have to make it plural, that I had make it before. Let's see. Monster. Monster means giant. That Rakshas. So the plural of the first word is monsters. Yani we only have to use add s and become the plural. Second is glass. To make it plural, we only have to add es because the word is in with double s. So according to the rule number 2, when the word is in with double s, we only have to add es and become the plural. Cookies, only have to add s and become the plural. Chips. Chief, although it is end with f, but this is the exception of the English, that chiefs, when we have to make the plural form of the chief, we only have to add s. Movie, we only have to add s and become the plural. So movie, the plural form is movies. Box, boxes. Fireplace, fireplace. Now the next is the B. Change the singular noun into plural, make necessary changes and rewrite the sentences. So student, in this exercise, you have to change this singular noun into the plural form, and some many changes we have to do, as I have done. The man was having a nice time at the party. So what it is? The man was. Man is singular, so the plural of the man is men. So the men, and when the man is used, was will be turned in were. So the men were having a nice time at the party. Parties should be go in parties. The child is sad as his team lost the match. So the child will be turned in children, and is will be go are, because in the present continuous tense the verb are is used with the plural numbers, noun. I saw a mice. Mice should be converted in mice, and I will go in we. My tooth, my teeth. The trousers is traveling in the taxi. So the trousers are traveling in the taxis. You all have to fill this exercises in your books, as I have done. You also have to do the same. So the next is underline all the nouns in the given sentence. Can you say the following sentence without making a mistake, hesitating or repeating yourself? So you have to do nothing here. So student, the exercise number D, complete the puzzle with the help of the clues given below. So here is the puzzle that we have to fill, and in the bottom of this line there is some sentences, and you can say some clues. By the help of these clues we have to fill this puzzle. So the first is the plural of mosquito. The plural of mosquito is the mosquitoes. So we have to fill it in this box. So I have filled mosquitoes. You can see it. Second one, the singular of mice. So the singular of mice is the mouse, that I have done. You can see here M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Third is the plural of echo. The plural of echo is, you can see here, This that is here ECHOES, echoes. Fourth, the plural of tooth. The plural of tooth is teeth. You can say here TEETH, tooth. The plural of louse is lice. You can see here LICE. You know, student, all the words will be stored at their number point. You can see 3rd, 7, 8, everything is written here. Don't be confused in filling these words. Now let's see the noun. The singular of geese is goes. You can see here. Where is the goes? That is this one. GOOSE, goes. Here. The plural of city is cities. You can hear CITIES, cities. The box of ox. The plural of ox is oxes. OXE, oxen. OXEN. The plural of story is stories. STORIES. The plural of roof is roofs. ROOFS. So student, I have given all the word in the filling form here. You can say here. I am going to repeat it again. So the plural of mosquito is mosquitoes. I have filled here. You can see MOSQUITOES, mosquitoes. Second one, the singular of mice is mouse. You can see here MOUSE. Third, the plural of echo is echoes. ECHOES. The plural of tooth is teeth. TEETH. The plural of louse is lice. Number 5, LICE, lice. The singular of geese in the 6th box is goose. You can see that thing is here. GOOSE, goose. The plural of city is cities. It is here CITIES. The plural of ox is oxen. OXEN in the 8th number. The plural of story is stories. Number 9, where is that is here STORIES. And the 10th, the plural of roof is the roofs in the last ROOFS.